Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, today, where's again? We can lazy yo, today we are doing, we're eating lovely breakfast, lovely breakfast. Babes, you enjoying your breakfast?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. They call it what? They don't have English breakfast. They've got American breakfast. American breakfast. American breakfast. So now, it's early morning. It's in the morning, right? It's in the morning, right? In the morning. That's what we see. It's in the morning. At night, it's so lovely, guys. So lovely, 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 lovely. As you can see, the cars are passing. Still morning. Yeah, morning. Yeah, this is wonderful. Right, that's how it is, guys. It is nice. Yeah. That's breakfast. We're eating breakfast. It's you know what time is it now here? It's 9 o'clock a.m. Now back home in South Africa. It's what time is it now? 4. Yeah, 4 o'clock. Huh? No. Yeah, 4 o'clock a.m. Yeah, still morning. They're still sleeping. All right. Yeah.